As Christmas approaches, many flood victims in KwaZulu-Natal are facing the festive season in deep despair following the demolition of the structures in which they had been living. According to the affected residents, they built the structures in areas where they were placed by the municipality as a temporary measure after the devastating 2022 floods displaced them from their homes. The demolitions have left families without shelter at a time when they were hoping for stability, dignity, and a chance to rebuild their lives.
Municipality no £4 kisilen baskhiba ngesidluzulu saphuma bazazikhibene zonke impahla zethu saphuma bayuyisa indlu yethu kwimanje ngiqashile la kamakhelwane.
Kubuhlungu because sinabantwana and umuntu mayefika azodiliza le ndawo soyitshela ukuthi yona khayo nalo nezingane zakho and kungekho into akunikeza yona ukuthi mhlambe since ngikususa la ngikubeka la and ayikho iminyaka esesingasayihambanga esichazelwa ngayo ukuthi mhlambe sisosizakala wonke amaphepha esiwatholayo masifika sibakhiphela wona bathi bona abawadingi bona bathunywe umasipala benza umsebenzi wabo so nathi asazi ukuthi ibona ngophi sekufanele sikwenze manje.
With the holiday season traditionally being a time of togetherness and hope, the families say the situation has only deepened their sense of abandonment and frustration.
Sibawu 15 ekhaya kodwa njengoba sibawu 15 nje sihlala ngendlela ezihlukene ukuthi asihlali ndawonye ngoba ubaba uhlala nezingane ezincane ezifundayo ezikole kuma primary nami khona nami la ngiqashe khona indlu nami ngesimo sokuthi angifuni ukugcwalisa labantu laba basekhaya ngizama uqasha nami indlu le ngiqashe kuyona nami ngihlala kuyona kanjalo nabo sisibami nabo khona ezinye izindlu nabo abakwazile nazo ukuthi bakwazi ukuzithola bakwazi ukuqasha kodwa nje empeleni umuntu akekho right kulesimo lesahleli kumanje la.
These flood victims continue to appeal for compassion, accountability and swift action from authorities.
Sicela ukuthi usizo nasibe nalo ngoba abanye bathathwa banikwa usizo nathi kathiwa silinde kodwa usizo sawolithula besicela ukuthi sithole usizo nathi ngoba siphinjene manje sikhona namantombazane sinezingane nathi ngesikwazi ukugeza phansi kwamantombazane yabona nje siphinjene endlini eyodwa manje besicela ukuthi nje manje basiphe usizo nathi njengabonke abantu.
In response, eThekwini Municipality has confirmed that the removal of structures was conducted in terms of the Prevention of Illegal Eviction from Unlawful Occupation of Land Act, which applies to invasions of both government-owned and privately owned land. The municipality reiterates that the invasion of land is prohibited and therefore compensation, reallocation assistance, or restitution does not apply in such instances. The municipality further adds that all verified flood victims were attended to during the 2022 and 2023 financial year, and policies remain in place, including the temporary emergency accommodation model, which was developed during the 2022 floods to manage disaster-related displacement. Despite years of hardship and uncertainty, flood victims continue to cling to the hope that one day their lives will change for the better. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Zola Sholwana in Durban.